Today, we're going to dive into a detailed review of Charles Schwab's flagship trading platform, Thinkorswim. This robust platform is designed for active traders who want a powerful suite of tools at their fingertips. Thinkorswim offers a wide range of features, from professional-level charting and direct access routing to futures and options trading capabilities. While the platform does have a learning curve, it's a popular choice for both seasoned and novice traders who are willing to invest the time to master it. Let's explore its features, pros, and cons to help you determine if it's the right fit for your trading needs. Thinkorswim is a desktop-based trading platform that supports Windows, Mac, Unix, and Linux operating systems, making it accessible to a broad range of users. Its versatility is one of its strongest suits, allowing traders to engage with a variety of asset classes such as stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, futures, and foreign exchange forks. The platform's design is quite comprehensive, featuring a multitude of functionalities like a chart, news windows, video screen, and account data, all laid out in a user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of Thinkorswim is its simulated trading mode, which is perfect for beginners looking to practice their skills without risking real money. The software is downloadable, and once installed, users can toggle between live trading and demo mode at the login screen. This flexibility ensures that you can learn at your own pace while gradually familiarizing yourself with the platform's extensive capabilities. Thinkorswim excels in its charting and analysis tools, which are particularly appealing to active traders. The platform offers several hundred technical indicators, surpassing what most competitors provide. Whether you're interested in using popular indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, or exploring more specialized tools like the sweep pivots, TTM squeeze, and disparity index, Thinkorswim has you covered. The platform allows traders to customize their charts extensively. You can choose from various chart styles such as candlesticks, monkey bars, and equilibrium, and you have the freedom to adjust the graph's interval from ticks to years. Additionally, Thinkorswim includes a plethora of drawing tools, including Fibonacci retracements and trend lines, which are crucial for technical analysis. For those interested in honing their technical analysis skills, Thinkorswim provides educational resources under its Education tab. This section offers tutorials on how to use various drawing tools and indicators, ensuring you get the most out of what the platform offers. Order execution is another area where Thinkorswim shines. The platform supports a wide range of order types, including market, limit, stop, trailing stop, and more complex strategies like order cancels other. This versatility ensures that traders can execute their strategies precisely as they see fit. The platform's order ticket is highly advanced, allowing traders to send equities, funds, and options to specific venues and adjust limit orders as market conditions change. Additionally, Thinkorswim offers a toggle switch feature on its order ticket that lets users lock and unlock limit orders. When unlocked, the limit price automatically adjusts as the market price fluctuates, offering dynamic control over your trades. Thinkorswim has made significant strides in recent years to reduce costs for its users. Stocks, ETFs, and closed-end funds are now commission-free, making it an attractive option for equity traders. Options trading is also cost-effective, with a 65-cent fee per contract and no base charge. Futures trades are priced at $2.25 per side per trade, while Forex trades are based on the bid-ask spread. Market data is mostly free, with level Roman II quotes available at no cost for both professional and non-professional traders. However, professional accounts may incur fees for certain market data, such as a $45 monthly charge for New York Stock Exchange quotes. Although Charles Schwab is not traditionally known as a day trading firm, Thinkorswim competes well with platforms specifically designed for day trading. The platform's level Roman II window is easy to integrate into the layout, providing traders with essential market depth information. Time and sales data can also be added effortlessly, enhancing the platform's appeal to day traders. Keep in mind that Charles Schwab requires a minimum account balance of $25,000 for regular day trading, in line with the pattern day trader rule. The broker offers a 4-to-1 maximum day trading buying power, calculated based on an account's value at the previous day's close. Schwab's margin requirement for day trading long stocks above $1 is 25%, while short positions require 30%. Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab is a versatile and powerful trading platform that offers a wide range of tools and features for active traders. Its professional-level charting capabilities, variety of order types, and educational resources make it a standout choice for those willing to invest the time to learn its intricacies. While the learning curve may be steep, the platform's comprehensive offerings make it well worth the effort. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, Thinkorswim provides the tools needed to succeed in the fast-paced world of trading. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.